In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom font in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to personalize your email campaigns further and let your brand's unique style shine, you've come to the right place. Custom fonts can add that extra bit of personality and professionalism to your emails, making them stand out from the crowd. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily incorporate custom fonts into your Mailchimp content. First off, we need to get into Mailchimp and navigate to the appropriate area to manage content styles. Once you've logged into your Mailchimp account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, your next task is to move to the content section. Think of this as the centralized hub for all the materials you'll use in your emails. This includes images, graphics, and of course, the all-important fonts. Click on the Content tab to access everything that you might need for crafting engaging campaigns. With the Content section open, you'll notice a variety of tools and features at your disposal, but the one we're interested in is the Brand Kit. The Brand Kit is an incredibly handy feature in Mailchimp, where you can manage all visual elements of your brand in one convenient place. It's designed to ensure that your branding remains consistent across all your campaigns and materials. So go ahead and click on the Brand Kit. Once inside the Brand Kit, you'll see several options related to your brand's visual identity. This is where Mailchimp really lets you shine, by providing the opportunity to tailor your visual messages exactly how you envision them. Among these options, there will be a section dedicated specifically to fonts. This is the area where you can select and upload the custom font you've chosen. It's the perfect spot to bring your unique font into your Mailchimp toolkit. Next, it's time to upload your custom font. Before you proceed with the upload, make sure that you have your font file ready on your computer. Mailchimp supports a variety of font file formats, so check that yours is compatible, typically a .ttf or .otf file. Uploading is straightforward. Simply click to add a new font and navigate to your saved font file on your computer. Select it and confirm the